Hola, buenos días. Hoy es martes, el 26 de mayo. Ayer fue lunes, el 25 de mayo, y ayer fue vacaciones por Memorial Day, Día Memorial. Ok, voy a repasar la tarea de esta semana. Número uno, claro, mira el video de la señora Jones. You're doing that right now. Número dos, this is probably the most exciting stage for you right now. I want you to find the assignment that looks like this, and I'll show you where to find that. And this will give you access to your own copy of Google Slides to get started on your physical book. So you don't want to necessarily get started on that book until you are finished with your story. So if you are not finished with your story, you'll want to work on that this week. But if you are finished, and some of you are mostly finished on your story, you can go into here. Show you where that is in materials. You'll see it here, and this will be your Google Slides. Google Slides is an open blank slate template that you'll be using. Just make sure that as you start to get illustrations that you're looking at the usage rights under tools and that you are labeling or making sure that all the images are labeled for reuse. You do not want to be stealing images off the internet. So I will help you with that next week on how to use those settings. Also, I will show you how to go back into quarter two and get your bio. Some of you might know how to find that already in Google Docs and have that be your last page with a picture of yourself. Okay, número tres, discussion post for the week. Post one question or comment, and this is your brag board. I want you to tell us and share with us one aspect of your story that you're really proud of, and just share with us so we can kind of see what you're excited about with regards to your story or your illustration. Número cuatro, optional but rewarding. Listen to the song Love and complete the attached worksheet. Here it is, Jesse y Joy. Love es nuestro idioma. Love is our language. You will get 5 free, no questions asked, translations by me. So if you're struggling on that, you get 5 free translations if you complete this work. So optional, you don't need to do it, but you do get a reward. If you think about this week, 26 de mayo hasta 29 de mayo, we only have 1 week after that, 1 full week, and it ends, I believe, on June 5th. So essentially we kind of have 2 weeks left, and I'm really excited to see what you're producing. You guys are asking a lot of great questions, and I'm really excited to push out your final products, share with each other, and this is something that you can take with you. This is really cool. So, muy bien. I'll have some office hours that I'll be posting. Make sure to connect with me with any questions you have, and stay safe and healthy. Número uno. Adios.